How to buy options on Robinhood or how to trade options on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can trade options on Robinhood. Now the first step is to open a Robinhood account. Now what you'll have to keep in mind is during the creation of your account, you want to enable the option trading. Now if you haven't done so, later on you can do so on your phone Robinhood profile settings. Once you enable it, all you have to do is you can simply open up your Robinhood application and you want to head into the trading option. You want to head into a particular stock detail page there and you'll get the trade option. Right on the trade, you want to tap on trade, and there you'll get the option that says the option trading, and from there you can go ahead and you can do the option trading. So perhaps the biggest shortcoming of Robinhood is the fact that it does not offer a simulated trading account of any kind. Now however, you can do the trade options. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.